Happy Tuesday to everyone, and welcome to my blog. This is Yesha Simple World. By the way, just like one another update of my life. Some of you gonna ask if I'm okay, if I'm fine. I'm not really fine. I'm not actually. I'm not fine because you know what? If you know, and if you remember, if you felt something wrong, and your mind is been like too much stress, and you one reason is like you've been bothering a lot, but you don't know how it can be okay. You're trying to be okay, but some people don't care about what how you feel, even though you only want to have a peace of mind, but they don't really care of it. They don't want to give you a peace of mind. For me, being honest is one of a kind. Like, if you're being honest to other people, to yourself, like, it's a big word. Because me, I don't really do lies. I don't lie. I always been honest. And then some people like keep lying on my face. I felt really hard. I felt really tired of understanding of everything. And it makes me feel sick because all I want is I want to be okay. I want to have a peace of mind. But they don't want to give it to, they don't like to give the peace of mind. All I need is truth and to be honest with me. I know honesty, truth, maybe some to other people is very hard, and truth can cause pain. But for me, it can give me an enough peace of mind if I know the truth. But still, they don't want to give that truth. They don't want me. They don't want to give peace of mind for me. I've been asking myself, where did I, where did I do wrong? Why people don't care about how I feel? I admit I did a lot of mistake before, but I keep asking forgiveness to the Lord, that you know that what I did before is already been I've already been suffered a lot. All I want now is, have a peace of mind. How can I get my peace of mind if the people that I've been caring, the people that I've been really I trusted, he doesn't want to tell the truth. It's really, the situation is some kind of, it feels me sick. I want really to be okay. I want to be okay. I want to feel everything is normal. I want to feel that, that I have peace of mind. But the reason only that I don't have peace of mind right now, for how many weeks I can't sleep, because I felt something wrong. I felt something wrong. I felt there's something wrong, and I can't imagine why I've been suffering from that kind of situation, because I I didn't do anything bad to this person. All I've been showing is all honestly and truth. What I'm showing on him is like I give it everything that, I care. I never lie to him. But it's like, I don't know, if you lose the trust, it's really hard. It's really hard to keep. You're gonna keep asking yourself, how 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 I can return kind of trust that I've been giving for that person before. Because why? Because he already broke. He broken all the promises. He make lies. He keep doing things that I've been like, I felt I've been wasted. But I still want to have peace of mind. I still care for him. I still love him. Whatever it is, I still love him. But I need to love myself. I really need to love myself, because it happened that what happened right now is been everything is not fine for me, because people didn't care how I feel, and I don't know until when gonna hide everything for me. Thanks guys for for listening my life. And yeah, and if you are both the same with me, that we've been struggling a lot for our emotions, like just keep praying in God that everything's gonna be okay. Because also me, I also keep praying in God that that what happened to me is I want to be okay. Even though some people keep hurting me, I still want to be okay. Because at the end of the day, no one gonna care about you, only God and you. Those people sometimes they didn't understand how you really feel. Sometimes I pretend that I'm gonna be okay, because I need to be strong. I need to because if I continue like feeling weak all the time, they're gonna take advantage of you. They're gonna keep hurting your feelings. They're gonna keep hurting you all the time, because they know you are too much weak. Bye.